Hi, I'm Denise Winokur, and I am so excited to show you a master bathroom renovation that's in the works right now. So what we did is we did a full gut renovation of this bathroom, and we extended the wall out a little bit more to give this a larger shower. And we're going to have a freestanding tub in this area right at the corner. It's going to be so beautiful. Let me just show you some of the details of the shower because I'm very excited about it. So obviously this is a black and white store. We have this wonderful black grout with these white subway tiles. We have created a seated bench, a functional bench with some quartz stone in here. We have our niches for shampoo. Pretty cool with the tiling in the center. A little hidden niche right over here for some other shampoo bottles and so forth, so it doesn't look too many bottles and things going on here. We are going to have the glass templated tomorrow, so we're going to have this beautiful glass door that's going to enclose this. Still deciding on whether it's going to go all the way to the ceiling or halfway. And the best thing that's happening right now is our custom vanity is being stained. So we're going to have this in a matte black. It's going to be beautiful. The center upper cabinet is going to go all the way to the ceiling, and there's going to be plenty of storage, and it's going to look fantastic. So stay tuned. More to see.